Ok Huang. So babe, what is it?
So there's a bird, they are swiftlets, and they make their nest using their saliva. And with air, the saliva hardens and it becomes their nest. So that nest is actually edible. Maybe? What are you getting?
But first I want to have the drink. Does they sell drink too? Can I see? Ah, so you got some flowers inside and I think some, maybe it's like beans or anything?
Yeah. What is it?
It is a bird's nest drink, I think.
Not sure.
Yeah. Can we try this too to eat? Yeah?
I'm not Vietnamese. I'm Philippine.
I think she's gonna do a translation. Oh yeah, okay, 55. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. So I'm not really sure because when I read the translation, there was hot steamed oats. Have to wait 50 minutes, but I don't really think we're gonna get hot steamed oats. So let's find out.
Yeah.
It's a good time just to try this.
What's inside it?
It smells a bit sweet. Ooh, I like that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can I see what's inside? Okay. What is this orange thing?
Yeah, I don't know. So I think here you get as well some pieces of the bird's nest in.
Oh yeah.
But this tastes actually really good. So I like that. Yeah.
You have to mix. Ah, okay. Oh, okay. No, it looks fun. More fun.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, that is good.
Yeah, is it different?
It's really good. What's that?
She knows how to sell. I want to drink this too.
Be careful what she's giving you next.
This has like bird's seeds in it or something. But I like it. It's healthy.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, here. Oh, here. That was super kind. She just took that. She has there on the stove. There is like a pot, and she's boiling that. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. One funny thing is, it's also said that edible bird's nest might improve.
I already know what's gonna come now.
Wow.
Fertility?
No.
Oh.
Might improve libido. Libido. So traditional Chinese medicine claims that bird's nest work as a remedy for illnesses like tuberculosis, asthma, stomach troubles. Yeah.
Hi.
I really like to make videos here in Vietnam because people, they really like the camera.
Yeah, they're not shy. Yeah. So it's insane. So just this piece will cost you 300,000 baht. But it makes sense though, because it's a lot of effort for a bird to make.
Yeah. Imagine that's a bird's home.
Yeah.
And
This one,
oh, thank you.
thank you.
Okay. Eat. Thank you.
What?
Cheers.
Cheers, yeah. Cheers. Oh, that's the race to the top. Interesting.
Okay.
Hot? Hot. Ah, okay, okay, good. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, okay, bye-bye. Bye. So I just think we have to wait a little bit when it cools down and then we can drink it. It's 10 minutes later and now the jar cooled down a bit. But I just noticed you can see like some strings of the bird's nest floating around in it. Looks like a wizard drink, don't you think? It's a bit the same as the other drink, but then just a little bit hot. I would say it is like sweet honey tea. The thing was, after we bought this, the first thing what the ladies did, they just packed their stuff and they just left immediately. So for us, just felt a little bit, can we really drink this or what? But it's good. Ooh.